Let me tell you something that so many persons get wrong. Many persons think that they understand the real difference between digital marketing and social media marketing. But when it is time for them to choose a career, time to charge a client on the job they are offering the client, or time to apply for a job, their choices show that they do not understand the real difference between digital marketing and social media marketing. Now, whether you understand the difference between digital marketing and social media marketing, or you are a bit confused, not knowing what the main difference is between the two of them, or maybe you've never thought about it, don't worry. In the next 5 minutes, I'll be showing you the real difference between digital marketing and social media marketing in a way that you would never forget it. Let me start with something that most tutorial would not tell you. Digital marketing, simply put, is everything that a business does online to get customers. Everything that a business does online to get customers. Now, everything I mean includes website marketing. It includes what we call search engine optimization. It includes pay-per-click advertising. It also includes email marketing. It includes content marketing, and it also includes what we call social media marketing. So simply put, if a business is doing anything on the internet that has to do with them getting customers, we can refer to that as being digital marketing. Now, think of digital marketing as a mega toolbox that is needed to complete an entire building. Yes, imagine an engineer wants to build a complete house from start to finish, and he gets a toolbox that includes all the tools needed to complete that building from the beginning till the end. What tools are we going to find inside that toolbox? You would agree with me that if you open that toolbox, you are going to find different categories of tools that actually help in carrying out different aspects of the job. Yes, you are going to find the carpenter's tools in that toolbox. You are going to find the plumber's tools in that toolbox. You are going to find the electrician's tools in that toolbox. You are also going to find the painter's tool in that toolbox. And how about the bricklayer's tool? You are going to find it in that toolbox. All these tools mentioned are inside this mega toolbox. And when someone has this toolbox that contains all these categories of tools, that person, if he knows how to use those tools, we can say that person has the capacity or knows how to build a complete building from start to finish. So digital marketing is that one big toolbox that has so many tools, so many categories of tools inside it that would help a business get customers online. So what tools do we find inside this mega toolbox called digital marketing? You will find the website marketing tools. Yeah, these are tools that makes your website run on autopilot. They are tools that makes your website act like that salesperson, that makes it very active to receive and engage with customers on the website. You would also find the copywriting tools. Now, what tools are these? These are tools that helps you write persuasive copies, persuasive words that would persuade a user to take the action that you want him to take. And in this context, what is that action? That action is basically converting leads to sales. You would also find the tools that we call the pay-per-click advertising tools. For example, Google Ads. Yes, this is basically the kind of tools that helps put your business or your product or services in front of persons who are actively searching for them. In this toolbox, you would also find the SEO tools. Yes, search engine optimization tools. These are tools that help you get free traffic. It is not all the time as a business that you spend money to get customers. These SEO tools ensures that you get free traffic, therefore getting free clients. And then we have the email marketing tools. Now, these tools basically are there to help you nurture clients, develop relationships, and convert leads who have not purchased into clients that would purchase your product or your services. And of course, we have the social media marketing tools inside this toolbox. Now, these tools are tools that help you engage your audience on social media platforms. Yes, I mean Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and the rest of them. They help you engage with customers and help you get clients from social media. So all these tools found in that toolbox is what makes it digital marketing. So from what we have just explained, you would observe or know that social media marketing is just one aspect of the entire process of getting customers online, which is digital marketing. So when someone comes up and say that he or she is a digital marketer, but in the real sense, the person knows how to run adverts on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok alone, that person is but only a social media marketer. If you intend to be someone that wants to do marketing, yes, for clients, and you intend to get high-paying clients, you also intend to know exactly how to run ads professionally, you definitely want to learn digital marketing and not just social media marketing, because no client would hire just a social media marketer. Every business owner wants you to explore all aspects of digital marketing so they can be sure they are exploring all options of getting their customers online. So what's the pro tip? If you want to learn exactly how to run ads, how to promote people's business online, please ensure you go for digital marketing and not just social media marketing. So what have we just explained in this video? We've just explained that digital marketing is the entire umbrella, which is everything a business will do online to make sales. And we've just mentioned that social media marketing is just one aspect of digital marketing, as it were. No doubt you would no longer be confused when you hear the term digital marketing and when you hear the term social media marketing. Now that I have taken my time to explain to you the difference between digital marketing and social media marketing, you definitely will want to know those things that makes you become a professional digital marketer. One of those things is what we call search engine optimization. Because it's not all the time your customer, your client will want to pay for ads. They need free traffic. And this is what search engine optimization can do for you. On the video shown on your screen right now, I have taken time to explain to you what search engine optimization is and how you can leverage it to get free clients for your customers. Click on that video right now and ensure you watch that video so you can thank me later. If you enjoyed watching this video, do well to hit the like button, ensure you subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in that next video shown on your screen right now, where I broke down search engine optimization in a way that you will begin implementing right away. See you in that video.